Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm Princess Llama, and today, stop focusing, today we're going to be talking about the events of this week. The events of this week. Probably some other random crap as well, probably go off on a tangent, as I usually do. Anyway, this week I got my nose pierced. Yeah. Didn't hurt much, just a little scratch, I guess. Made one eye water, it was really weird. But yeah, it looks cool. Don't know what I'm going to do about school though when I eventually go back. I got Benji. Benji is my blue snowball mic. I'm not using him at the moment because I have yet to figure out how. Don't ask why I call him Benji, I just like the name Benji. And stop focusing! I like the name Benji and I like to name things. Like my phone is called Doris and my Xbox is called Gertie. I went out with my friends a lot and caught up because it's been a while since we've all been together because everyone's been on holidays and stuff. Even though we go back to school in like 2 weeks anyway. Not really looking forward to that because school sucks. Especially my school. My school sucks even more. Ignore the GCSE maths book behind me. My sister gave it to me earlier. Because I'm failing maths. But I did get some really good results. Because, as you all know, probably, it was results day yesterday in ye olde England. So, I did okay. I failed maths again, I failed English. I got an A star in graphics, C's in science. So I'm doing well in graphics and science. But bad in the subjects that I may or may not need in the future. That sucks. Guess I'll just stick to YouTube, eh? Anyway, I keep looking down because I've written things down because I got told to write things down because I and R a lot apparently. Corin, thanks for telling me that. So now I have a sheet full of writings that I'm reading off of because I and R, and I wish it'd stop focusing. Why couldn't you just stay focused? Maybe I should stop moving my hands. If I stop moving my hands, it might work. Okay, on other subjects. A lot of my friends have started YouTube lately. During the holidays, I think about 3 of them have started new videos and stuff, and coincidentally, they are doing the same thing as I do, which is vlogs. And they're all starting out new channels and blah de blah de blah. But some of them are great. Like a few of them, of my friends like Levi, Tom, and Ailey, they have really good vlogs going. Levi he doesn't have as many as Ailey does, and Tom's doing Life with Tom, which is really funny. I like Life with Tom, I watch it all the time, it's great. I'll put their links in the description, you should definitely go check those out. Out of my like 38 subscribers that I have, go check them out anyway. Yeah, that's all I had written down, so I guess it's improv from now. Which is great, because, yeah. Did you know Mario was originally called Jumpman? I thought that was magical when I found that out. And men are more likely to get struck by lightning than women. Watch out, men. Yeah, I kind of go blank when I don't have things written down. That's kind of bad. Anyway. Ailey's vlog. She does vlogs with her friends, Stephanie. I do have like clips of them on my iPod and on my laptop actually. Bless me. Yeah, I have clips of them on my iPod of them pissing about at the park, which is really funny. I would try and put them in, but I'm not very good at editing, so good for me. This vlog's going to be really short again because yet again it's not telling me where and how long this vlog's going on for, and my webcam keeps focusing. It's really annoying me now. I've had my roots done, yes. Roots. Finally. They're ginger. Not as blonde as I wanted them to be, but they're ginger, which is better than having brown roots in a blonde hair. Stop focusing. I am doing nothing this weekend, except I think I'm sleeping at my friend's house. Ailey's. Last week it was yawning and now it's sneezing. My body just does not like me. I think it's just piercing, it's just rubbing on the inside of my nose and making everything tickle and stuff. It sounds really weird, but that's definitely what's happening, I'm sure. Poor me. Stop focusing! I'm gonna throw it out the window in a minute, because it's kind of annoying me. Maybe if I stay still. Nope, that doesn't seem to work either. Ooh. I've been told to start Minecraft commentaries as well. I would, but I don't have the software or whatever to record it with. And I'm not very good at editing if I do shit wrong, so I have the mic for it, I just don't have the recording shit, the patience to edit it, and the stuff to edit it with, because my Vegas Pro is just like died on me, so yeah, I don't have anything, which sucks because I have a really good single player world going on Minecraft. I just can't show anybody because my laptop hates me. Love you too, laptop. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog off here, and I shall see you guys next week. Bye!